Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to MapleLeaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew, and today's video is the exciting recap of the MLC Porsche 4 Invitational. Thanks to all of my friends who participated in my YouTube channel's 4th annual all-Porsche giveaway. I hope you all had great fun doing the cars as well as watching all the videos. Each one of these little cars is a gift, as the theme again this year is Pay It Forward. Stay tuned until the end for 3 drawings for the box sets. Here's the full lineup. Wow, what a lineup for this year. There were speedsters and spiders, race cars, street cars, convertibles, bar barn finds, post-apocalyptic war machines, 4x4 rock climbers, flying cars, police cars, and a cyberpunk. Such a variety. There's so much imagination out there. There were familiar veteran builders and first-timers too. And it was a truly global event with entries from Thailand, Austria, Luxembourg, all across America and the UK, Australia, Canada, and Switzerland. And the very best part of this event is that everyone paid it forward by giving their customs away to someone as a gift. I'm happy to report that the spirit of generosity is alive and well in the diecast hobby community. Way to go, everybody. This year there are 3 draw prizes. Please understand that it's very hard for me to source good diecast themed gifts over here. There's really nothing to pick from in Switzerland. We don't have Walmart or Target or even a Dollar General store. I actually found these 3 box sets while on vacation in Croatia last summer. I know it's not much, but I really did my very best. Please consider these to be my modest thank you for taking part this year. First, I remove the demo names, and then copy and paste all of the participants' names in this wheel of Porsches. There's no keyword. Let's see who wins. Congratulations to all 3 winners. You've got 1 week to contact me at this email address to give me your international shipping details. It's been said that friends are the greatest measure of a person's wealth, and by that definition, I'm a rich man. Thank you so much for participating as builders and giving your cars away again this year, and thank you to everyone who was dialed in and watched all the videos. It took me 2 days to go through all of them. Search for hashtag MLCPorsche4, and I bet you'll find some more that you haven't seen yet. Be sure to visit them all and give them a respectful comment, and get all subbed up if you haven't already. Making new connections and spreading the love is what it's all about. Thanks for visiting my channel again today. I'll see you next year at MLC Porsche 5. It's coffee time.